We're here at the Helen Inn, room 716, the party room.
Make this go away. I need a top shelf drink to set me straight and a little bit of honey to make this go away. Don't even chew her prey, swallow me whole. It's just a little bit of heart, but that's just how it goes. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Oh, tired that your chain's just a bad dream, but I gotta wake up, let it go. Morning, keep on coming, I can use a blackout. Give me something to drink, cause I don't wanna think. By now, knock me right out, filling me up, dishes out of my mind. Waking up my confidence and talking to a stranger. She told me to leave, and goddammit, I see her point. It's time to go home, I know. But when I close my eyes, I can bet my money it's her I'm gonna see, and it ain't that funny. Just dipped in sugar, sweeter than pie, until a little time flies and you see what's on the inside. Man, you're gonna feel like you wanna cry. She's a bad song, it goes on and on, like it's non-stop, but I'm holding on. She's a bad, bad dream, gotta wake up, let it go. Morning, keep on coming, I can use a blackout. Give me something to drink, cause I don't wanna think. By now, knock me right out, filling me up, dishes out of my mind. Working on my confidence and talking to a stranger. She told me to leave, and goddammit, I see her point. It's time to go home, I know. But when I close my eyes, I can bet my money it's her I'm gonna see, and it ain't that funny. No, it ain't that funny, yeah. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank.
It's right here. Oh, don't wait, it's hashtag rigged.
That's way, you ain't gonna do no better than that. You should have just kept my $10 or whatever it was for you to play. All right, guys, we just finished up our little putt mini golf game here at the, what's this place called? Pirates Cove in Helen, Georgia. And, well, me and Mr. Paul tied. We got a 53. The biggest loser was Miss Ellie Mae. She didn't try. She could have done better if she'd have tried and aimed, but she didn't. But anywho, we had fun.
All right, we're waiting on Raffy.
Oh, God.
So here we are. We're almost there. We are almost there. Hellendorf into the Hofbräu House is about a 15-minute walk.
11.
She says 11. I don't know. It depends on how fast you walk or whatever. But I'm saying about a 15-minute walk, a half mile, however you take it, we're almost there. Going to the Helen. It's the, well,
Opera House.
yes, we're going to the Hofbräu House. The 6th annual is what I was trying to say. The 6th annual Helen, Georgia Meetup get together at the Hofbräu House, and we got some fun in store. We're here for the magnificent journey with Gary. To the back? All right, thank you. I'm videoing you. I'm videoing me. What's going on?
Fantastic, can't complain, gonna have some drinks and some German food.
Hey, can't beat that, right?
Amen to that.
Great
Amen to
weekend in Helen, Georgia, for sure.
Amen. Oh yeah.
Life
Just
is
no tubing quite yet, it's a little chilly in the
Just a
water.
little bit.
A little chilly. Cool, good to see you.
Say hello. That's all you can do. Just Opera House, Helen, Georgia. And you know what? Raphael Bezo from Bezo's Travel. That guy right there. He's going to be doing the Germinator Challenge. Can he do it? We don't know. We're going to find out real soon.
1, 2, or 3.
I like it. I like it. Coffee. I got it.
Is this a challenge or what?
Can you do it?
How long do I have to do it? Oh, okay. I thought it was a challenge. I thought it was a challenge.
Right
No, but I thought it was a challenge. Yeah, well, you get more than you get a free mug. Free mug? I'm trying to pay my call.
He says he got it. All right, guys. Raphael Bezo from Bezo's Travel is fixing to attempt the Germinator here at the Opera House here in Helen, Georgia. There's so much excitement going on. Can he do it? I don't know.
Will I finish? Will I not? What do you think?
All right, guys. Here we are, Opera House, Helen, Georgia, and we're fixing to chow down. Check this out. Get the food out. Order the meatloaf, German potato salad, French fries. We got French onion soup, a fried chicken salad. It's huge. Look at that salad. Miss Helen May, she's got the, well, it's just grilled cheese, but Mr. Raphael Bezo. Hey, Miss Emma, how is your food? How? Very good. That's a lot. That's a big old salad, right? A salad again, guys. I mean, this is a big salad. And she still has French onion soup. Oh, man. Ellie, how is the grilled cheese? I know. World's worst day ever, right? Best day ever. We're hanging out with friends in Helen, Georgia. You can't beat that. Come on now. We still got Raphael working on that Germinator, and I have not even tried my food yet. I am going to try this meatloaf, German meatloaf. Never had it. Of course, I've eaten American meatloaf. German meatloaf, never had it. I've got German potato salad. Never tried that either. Of course, French fries. I love some French fries. So let's try this stuff, okay? Let's do it. All right, here we go. Look at it. Check it out. Let's check. Oh, look at this. Meatloaf, very tender, falling apart. Let's check it out. I've never had German meatloaf. I don't know. It's different. To me, it's like meatloaf with brown gravy on it. Hey, it's okay though. I will eat it, no doubt. Let's try this German potato salad. Never had it. Let's try it. It's different. I'm from North Carolina. This is not my grandma's potato salad. It's not bad. I like it. Meatloaf. German potato salad here in Helen, Georgia. What is this place called again? Opera House. I keep messing up. I don't know my German. That's different. I'm gonna try it. Hey, let's check in on Raphael Bezo. You ready? Can he do it? I mean, he is almost finishing up. Man versus bird. Man wins. Man wins. Rocky. Fluffy! 20 minutes! He did it in 20 minutes! Woo! Guys, he did it! He did it! Man versus food. Man wins here at the Opera House. Terminator defeated USA. 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 Oh, she said, oh Lord. Let me, well. Alma, you still love me. BSK!
BSK 2.0.